Good afternoon. My name is Alejandra Quintero. I present my work is my last vacation. My vacations is in Peru. This is the temple on the sun which I visit with my family in April. It's beautiful, beautiful. This is Machu Picchu raining ruins. This is in Llama and live in the Machu Picchu. In order the guests to know the Machu Picchu ruins, we had to walk a long way. Then we will talk about Peruvian food. The food is delicious. We certainly enjoy several seafood dishes, sushi and ceviche, and rice the Clicayan style. We also enjoy the chup de camarones, delicious. In general, the Peruvian food is certainly delicious to a great extent. I recommend visit Peru. Thank you for your interest in my Peruvian vacation. Goodbye.